What's going on, my detailing family? Thank you for tuning in to part 2 of the minivan detailing. In this part, we're going to be doing the interior of the minivan, and once again, we're going to be using nothing but Superior products. I'm going to show you what products I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you why I'm using it. Go ahead, stick with us while I get to it. Alright, we're going to start off by knocking out all the door panels and all the plastics in here. So what we're going to be using for that is we're going to be using Pink Perfection, and I have it diluted 4:1. So with that, we're going to be using an auto fiber scrub ninja. If you don't have one of these, I suggest you get one. And then a microfiber towel just for mopping up. With these door panels, we're going to go ahead and spray the Pink Perfection on the door panels. And after you spray the door panels down, you're going to go ahead and you want to agitate. I just spray some on my boy's hairbrush and work it into the crevices. Follow up with my air blower and help blow out all the crevices and dry everything up to a nice OEM finish. And as you can see, you get a nice OEM finish. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do the rest of the plastics, work my way. I'm gonna spray the Pink Perfection in there, I'm gonna let it sit, then I'm gonna hit it with the steam cleaner, I'm gonna wipe it out. So when we're hitting up these leather seats, what we're going to use is the leather cleaner, and you use this straight. And the way I do it is I spray it directly onto my microfiber or my auto fiber scrub ninja, and then I go ahead and I work it into the seats. And then after that, I'm going to come back, I'm going to steam it, hit it with the steamer, and then after that I'm going to wipe it up, I'm going to blow it dry, and then I'm going to bring you in and show you how clean to get the seats. When you finish, you should have some results like this, a nice OEM finish. Came out nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way around, finish off the seats, and then we're going to hop to the floor. Alright, so to dress and protect the leather, what we're going to be using is their leather and vinyl lotion. And we're going to apply it straight onto our pad. And then what I like to do is I like to work it into the pad, and then I like to apply it to the leather. So let me go ahead and get finished applying this to all the leather surfaces in the car, and I'm also going to be applying it to the door panels. Everything in here that's leather or vinyl, I'm going to be using this on. So let me go ahead and get finished, and then I'll bring y'all back in. Now I gave you a little example of what this brush can do. Now what I like to do is I like to use this in conjunction with the pumice stone. And I like to do that because I can get real quick results off of this, but this is a safer alternative. So I just usually use this on a mat, since the mats are usually thicker than the actual floor. So I use the analog brush on the floor, I use this on the mats.
So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish out this van, and then I'm gonna bring you in and let you see what type of results I get from this. Now, as you can see right there under the seat, we got a little throw up. So what I'm gonna be using to get the throw up is the heavy duty enzyme cleaner, which help break down the proteins and the throw up and bacteria and stuff like that, and it'll help also give it a fresher smell, of course. But let me go ahead, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the area with the heavy duty enzyme, and then I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna come back, spray it again, agitate, and then I'm going to use the steamer, scrub it, and blot it up. There's the throw up area, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the enzyme cleaner, and I'm just gonna let that sit. There you guys have it. You've seen me do the outside with Superior products. You've seen me do the interior with Superior products. So we use Paint Perfection for all the door plastics and the vinyl that's in the interior. We use Zap It for the carpets. We use the heavy duty enzyme cleaner for throw up, and we use their leather cleaner for the seats, and we use their leather and vinyl lotion to protect all of the leather and the plastics in the interior. Once again, thank y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all got something out of this video. All the links is in the description below. But until next time, stay blessed. Peace.